Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to factory reset Windows 11. So click on start, then settings. Now here click on Windows Update. Now click on Advanced Options. Now here click on Recovery. Here you will see the option Reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Click on Reset PC. Here you will see two options. Choose an option, keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Remove everything, removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. So select your option. So this is the way guys you can factory reset Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.